The ultimate camp stove. I am for real here. Wood camp stoves are super popular because they're fun. But this is the absolute best camp stove there is, promise you, and it's free. Now, why is this stove so much better than others? It's simple. When the air inlet and the air outlet are balanced, like with this Kelly kettle, the rest that defines how well the stove burns is just one thing: chimney height. Now, with most stoves, the pot will be on top of the chimney. Like this. Chimney height is here. But in this case, the chimney is integrated. Pot here, chimney height here. It burns fast. It's impervious to wind. Rain doesn't even matter much because it's all protected and in there. The soot is completely manageable and it's cheap. It actually likes wind. So basically it works as well as a Kelly kettle, but you have the added advantage of boiling in a pot that you can also cook in. Don't worry, later on I'll do an in-depth video about all the different choices you can make when making this stove, how to make a collapsible model, how to make a multi-fuel model that will also burn S-bit and also burn alcohol, no problem at all. But for now, you are already convinced, so let me show you how to make one, how to burn one. You start with a tin can that is roughly the same diameter or maybe a little bigger if you want it to be collapsible than your pot. When you're done cooking, as you can see, my hands are not sooty. Empty this, remove the steak. You will use this at night to set up your tarp. Empty the thing. Make sure you don't start a forest fire, guys. This one goes in the middle. Now, the soot is on the inside and your fingers are on the outside, so if you're smart, you can stay clean. Here you will have storage space, and you can put like tinder material in there, but not anything that has to stay clean. This goes here, it sort of collapses, and you want to use a dedicated packaging for this. And this goes in your backpack and everything is gonna stay nice and clean. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the ultimate wood burning camp stove. Make one yourself, tell me how it went.